Noong time po kasi na yun, kuya, nag-uusap-usap po kami about sa parang bet. Sabi po ni Lala na parang ayaw niya daw po i-bet yung egg niya. Tapos sabi naman ni Joaquin, na-explain pa rin po niya kay Lala kung ano po yung magiging bet nga po na mangyari po sa kanila. Tapos si Lala po parang umaayaw na po siya. So sinabi ko po na she doesn't want to bet her eggs. Tapos po, pinatahimik niya po ako, kuya. Using his hand po sa face ko po, kuya. Siyempre po, nagulat po kami na ganun po yung naging way po ni Joaquin.
Si Lela, seryosong kinompronta si Joaquin.
Doing like this is, I don't think that's proper way to tell someone to quiet when you're talking.
I'm sorry that I got annoyed when I got interrupted. That's very rude of her to do. So I hope you understand that I got annoyed. I'll apologize to her.
That's valid. Like,
That's
mainis ka
all.
kasi someone's talking while you're talking.
Yes.
That's okay. But, it's not a nicer way naman. With respect also. If you don't want to be disrespected, then give the other person respect also.
Hyper lang po, kuya, talaga si Joaquin at mas nangingibabaw po yung excitement niya every time. Pero minsan nga po, nawawala po talaga, kuya, sa lugar.